In our video today, we'll be looking at how we can take a set of Google Slides and quickly turn them into a high quality video. So for this demo, there's a few ways that you can take your slides and quickly turn them into videos. The first way is just by starting in your Google Drive, and I'm going to click the New and Google Vids button. And you'll see that when I do that, it gives me a pop-up, and one of the options for this is to convert slides. So when I choose this, I'm going to be able to search my Google Drive to see all of my existing slideshows that are in there. And when I click on one, I can select that as an option. Now, a fun thing that this will let you do, you can choose all of the slides that we want to select. So I could just start and use all 17 of these ideas. And that'd be great. If I want to clear that out, I could only make a video using just a few of those slides. So we'll just make one that has 4 of those selected. You'll notice it also allows you to choose whether you want to have an AI voiceover, script, and background music. So if I want AI to try to take a first attempt at narrating this for me, I can leave that checked. If I want to use my voice and my music choices, I can uncheck that box. So that box is important. I'm just going to import it just so that you can see what this looks like when we generate a video using just slides as a starter. It does a pretty nice job. So it takes a minute because it's writing a script for each slide. It's generating AI audio overview of that slide, and it's also putting some music to this. So let's just go over here and we'll press the play button, and this will give you an idea.
Welcome to this video on using AI image generation to amplify learning. We will be focusing on pedagogical protocols for the classroom.
So you will see that in this space, when I click into each slide here, there is a voiceover section. So it shows you exactly what text has been created. If I wanted to change any one of these, so to focus on a particular thing, I have up to 2,500 characters that I can type in. So really that breaks down to about 2 to 3 minutes of conversation per scene that you could type in. And if I hit update voiceover, it will update what the AI is saying. I also have an opportunity in this to be able to record myself. So if I'm on this scene and I want myself to be the voice that's talking through this, I just need to hit the record option and choose voiceover. And then I could record myself talking about whatever that thing is. So really, really quick way to take slides that exist and kind of turn those into a video sequence. Another easy feature to take this video to the next level is you can click the add transition button and offer some different transitions between your slides in your video. This is really helpful if we're just trying to make a nice professional flowing conversation that takes place over the course of this. Of course, all of the other Google Vids features are built into this. So if I want to record my face and have my head as like a floating head on this over top of the slide, I can do that. I can record my camera right here. I can record things from my screen. I can obviously just do my voiceover as well. And I can also integrate some amazing stock media into these slideshows as well. So if I want some stock media clips, different videos, their library is enormous. Same with the music and the stock images that exist within this. So lots that you can do, but starting with your Google Slides as a foundation is a great way to do that. So a second way that you could do this, you see I have the same Google Slides presentation. They've now added a new button. I can click File, Convert to Video, and that will automatically create a Google Vids video in your Google Drive based on the slides that we have right here. So those are both ways to get started with that. And once you're in and creating those videos, I encourage you to play with a few fun features. You can record almost anything that you want. You can bring anything in that already exists in your Google Drive. And you can also bring a lot of great stuff into our from the stock videos and media that they already have. If you are supporting English language learners or would like to have what's being said on the through the audio showing up as a part of the video, they also have this AI captions feature, which will take, so I'll just click into this slide. You can see I could choose a styled caption here, and it's going to process all of the words that are either being spoken by a person or by your AI voiceover and add captions to your video as well. So a really, really great way to quickly produce pretty high quality video in a very short period of time, just starting with using your slides. The new limits on video, when Vids first launched, it had a 10-minute cap on any video that you would make. That has now been extended to 30 minutes. So you can make some really, really great things, almost make your own sitcom if you're up for that. Hope this is helpful. Hope you find lots of ways to communicate more effectively using some of these tools. Have a great day.